said to make your heart beat better. If only I'd have known you were the storm to weather.